Most traders use the standard moving average and wonder why they get stopped out at institutional levels. If you aren't tracking the yearly, monthly, and weekly VWAP simultaneously, you aren't trading, you are guessing. I'm going to show you how to build a 4-tier VWAP engine for MetaTrader 5 using Gemini AI. I am currently on the Gemini AI interface on the web. This is my prompt that I'm going to give to it. Okay, I'll make sure that I attach the prompt now in a TXT form. It will be listed in the video description below. Okay, so select everything and then copy, and then you come to the interface, and then before you even input the prompt, you are supposed to select the pro model that does the code, and then paste the prompt and then send it. It will take some few minutes before Gemini works on it. Let's wait for it. So Gemini has finished creating the indicator, and here it is. So basically what I'll do, I'll just copy the whole thing. It has finished, so I'll just copy the whole thing. Just come here just before the code. Remember, it has been written in C++ because MT5 utilizes C++ programming language. So copy it and then create a new note on notepad, and then create a new note. Here you're supposed to paste that code, and then file, tap on the file, then save as, and then you'll name it as MT5 V1 version 1. Maybe you'll do some revision on it and maybe add other features. So should be V1, and then save it. Close this window, minimize this window, go to your folder where you have saved that file, and then you will rename it. You just right click on it, rename, and then you rename the extension from .txt to .mq5, mq5, and that's it. Yes, and the file should appear with a 5 icon somewhere. Okay, so the next thing is to open MetaTrader 5. You simply open it. Now after this window has appeared, you need to go to the tools and then MetaQuotes language editor, and then you maximize this window. You then need to go to the experts, highlight on it, and then right click, and then open folder. And remember, I had created previously a folder called indicators. I'll get into it. You can also make yours. You just need to just add a new folder, and that's it. You rename it as indicator. Okay, see, and since I have it, I'll delete that one and then come to the indicators, get into that folder, and then I have other indicators here, but don't focus on that. Let's go to the downloads where I have renamed the file, and then copy it, Control C, go back to that folder and then paste it, and that's it. You minimize this window, expand these experts, go to the indicators folder, expand on it, and then VWAP indicator, you are supposed to right click on it and then compile. After compiling and it has no errors, I currently have 0 errors. Okay, yours should also have 0 errors. Okay, because if it has errors, it's going to cause a problem and the indicator will not run properly. Now, and to fix that, you need to go back to Gemini and fix that line where you'll be told. It will be indicated here. Line, a certain line, you're supposed to fix it. And repeat the process again. After that, now, and since we have no errors, I'll minimize this and then go back to MT5 chart, this one. After that, you should go to the left panel and then you expand it, this expert advisor. Now, and then you need to expand this indicator folder, expand on it, and then VWAP indicator V1. Okay, you are supposed to drag and drop, long press on it, and then drag and drop on the chart, and okay, and it should appear as so. Now you need to remember which line belongs to which period, okay? Because you have the red one, the green one, the blue one, and the purple one, okay? Make sure that you have read everything from Gemini. As it suggests, the daily is color red, the weekly is color blue, and monthly is green, yearly is magenta. Now those are the representations of the colors according to the time frames. Okay, to remove any indicators on your chart, including this one, this VWAP, or even the RSI, you are supposed to right click on the chart anywhere and then go to the indicator list, Control I. It will reveal the indicators that are currently on the chart. You are supposed to just highlight on it and then delete VWAP, and it's gone. For the RSI, you're supposed to delete it and it's gone. And that's it. Now, this tool will greatly boost your trading journey, and it will help you trade as the banks and even big institutions. Tell me which other indicator I should build for MT5. Let me know in the comments. And that's it. Be productive and see you on the next one.